Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one that is about identity. We can put into x minus y to the power of 2. Next, we can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to x minus y. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of y, you got about dy over dx, or we can put about first derivative of y. Now we put this one go to the right, go to the left, and dv over dx go to the right. Now this one we change by v, this one we change by this one. Now this one I will put on the right and v square we put on the left. Next, dx we move to the left, 1 minus v square we move to the right. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. Now about this one, that is about identity. So I will put about 1 minus v multiplied by 1 plus v. Now I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator because I want to create about the factor 1 minus v, 1 plus v. Number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. Next, I will put negative v in here. Later that we need to put back v. So 1 minus v divided by 1 minus v. 1 plus v divided by 1 plus v. So we have about 1 over 1 plus v plus 1 over 1 minus v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s or dx, you got about s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of 1 plus v. The integration of this one, we have negative because we have the negative sign next to v in here. Ln of the absolute value of 1 minus v. And then we put about c, that is about the constant. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.